A big hi to all Telugu fans, especially Ram Charan Teja's fans. Actually, it was a pleasure waiting for Ram Charan Teja's movie. Actually, I was eagerly waiting for the Dhruva trailer. I watched the Dhruva teaser, which was a cool teaser. Um, Moreover, the trailer, it was a plain remake of Tamil movie Thani Oruvan. So it was a pleasure watching Ram Charan Teja doing a cop role, which was he was a cool guy. Actually, he was a super cool guy from Andhra. It was a fun. Actually, it was a praising one to watch Ram Charan Teja's movie. Actually, I was waiting for that full day to watch Dhruva trailer. Here we go. So I think you can enjoy with me watching the trailer. Here we go.
నాకు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ గోల్ ఉంది. ఎవరిని కొడితే 100 మంది క్రిమినల్స్ అంతం అవుతారో ఆ క్రిమినల్ నేను అంతం చేయాలి. ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్.
హలో, మీట్ మై బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్. ప్రపోజ్ చేయడం తెలీదు, సో కొంచెం అటు ఇటుగా ఉంటే అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకో.
ఈ లవ్ ఇదంతా నాకు సెట్ అవుతుంది రిషిక. నా మైండ్, నా ఫోకస్ అంత వేరే. ప్రజల తలరాతలు నిర్ణయించేది ఒక రాజకీయ నాయకుడే కావచ్చు, కానీ ఆ రాజకీయ నాయకుల తలరాతలు నిర్ణయించేది ఒక బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్. ఫస్ట్ టైం వాడికి దెబ్బ పడబోతుంది.
వీడు కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ టైం సిద్ధార్థ అభిమన్యు అనే ఫార్ములాని వాడు కనిపెట్టాడు. వాడి కెపాసిటీ అంటూ తెలుసుకుంటాం.
మీకు ఇదేం తప్పు అనిపించడం లేదా సార్?
ఎప్పుడు మంచి మాత్రమే చేయటం ఆ దేవుడికి కూడా సత్యం కాదు.
నన్ను స్పెషల్ గా ట్రీట్ చేయడం మొదలు పెట్టాడనమాట. ఇలాంటి క్రిమినల్ పాస్ట్, ప్రెజెంట్, ఫ్యూచర్ ని నామరూపాలు లేకుండా చేస్తా.
Love you, sweetheart.
Super cool teaser. One of the stylish teaser trailer. So it was super cool. Actually, since I watched the Tamil movie, I can relate most of the scenes in the trailer. It was fun, and it was a social message movie. And I would like to watch Ram Charan doing that happy Ram Charan doing the role. Actually, the main hero will be Siddhartha Abhimanyu, played by Aravind Swamy. So it is going to be a cat and mouse game, and so it's going to be a fun film. And Rahul Preet was reprising the character of Nayanthara. So it was fun to watch her in the role. And father role was done by that is Siddhartha Abhimanyu. Aravind Swamy's father role was done by Nazar. So it was a pakka entertainer, mass entertainer, to be very frank. So since it is a remake movie, many may be thinking like from Tamil Nadu may be thinking like this will be a better, that is not up to the mark, something like that. But I don't care about anything. Hyderabad makes better movies. From since Ram Charan was there, it is going to be a very special. So fun. It was going to be a fun ride and mass ride, stylish ride. You can tell anything about that. Actually, I was not actual since I love the Ram Charan Teja's work. So it was super fun to be watching the movie. I was waiting for a December 9. So